Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Scaraway Scar Gel is probably one of the most talked about scar treatments on the market, and for good reason. Scars can be a real pain, both physically and emotionally, but what if there was a way to make them less noticeable? Today, we're diving deep into the world of scar treatment to see if this product lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. NUVADERMIS Silicone Scar Sheets, Light Tone. Are you looking to diminish the appearance of scars? These premium silicone scar sheets effectively manage both old and new scars. It is ideal for comprehensive scar healing and skin repair. Made from high-quality, medical-grade silicone, this product improves scar appearance. It enhances color, texture, and overall skin smoothness. Recommended usage is at least 6 weeks for new scars. These soft, lightweight, and breathable silicone sheets are easy to use. They provide comfortable 24-hour wear without leaving any residue. You can easily cut it to fit smaller scars. NUVADERMIS offers a non-invasive and effective solution for scar improvement. Each silicone sheet is made from top-grade materials. It is developed with expert input to ensure the best results. This product is rigorously tested for safety and effectiveness. It is manufactured under strict hygienic standards. It supports healing and optimal scar management. What we like? This product uses medical-grade silicone, ensuring top-notch scar treatment. The reusable and breathable design offers comfortable 24-hour wear. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for various scar types, including those from C-sections or surgeries, this is a great choice. It's designed to promote effective healing and skin repair. What people say. Scaraway Advanced Scar Gel is easy to apply and dries quickly. The gel is effective in reducing the appearance of scars. The product is designed to be used on various types of scars. Number 4. Mederma Advanced Scar Gel, 0.70 ounces. Are you bothered by scars? This product is clinically shown to visibly reduce the appearance of both old and new scars from various causes like acne, burns, and surgery. It's designed to help you feel more confident in your skin. This formula is clinically proven to reduce the overall appearance of scars. It's a trusted solution for anyone looking to improve the look of their skin. See visible results with consistent use. The product features a triple-action formula that goes beneath the skin's surface. It seals in moisture, which aids in collagen production and cell renewal. This helps to improve the texture and appearance of scars. Mederma is a brand trusted by many medical professionals. Doctors, pharmacists, and surgeons recommend it. You can feel confident in its ability to help improve your skin's appearance. Applying this product is simple. Just apply it once daily for the best results. For new scars, use it for at least 8 weeks, and for existing scars, use it for 3 to 6 months. It absorbs quickly without any sticky residue. What we like? This product boasts a clinically proven formula to visibly reduce scar appearance. Its triple-action formula penetrates deep, promoting collagen production. If you have scars from acne, surgery, or burns and want a simple, once-a-day application, this product is ideal. It absorbs quickly, making it convenient for daily use. What people say. Scaraway is easy to apply and dries quickly. Scaraway Advanced Scar Gel is effective in reducing the appearance of scars. Scaraway helps to soften and flatten raised scars. Number 3. Scaraway Silicone Scar Sheets, 1.5x3. Are you looking for a solution for your scars? These non-surgical scar strips are designed to treat and prevent scars from injuries, burns, surgeries, and acne. They can help you feel more confident. The medical-grade silicone in this product is the #1 scar treatment ingredient recommended by doctors and plastic surgeons. It's clinically proven to make scars softer, flatter, and less visible. You can trust its effectiveness. These silicone sheets offer an effective treatment by hydrating and softening the skin. This minimizes redness, itching, and discomfort. It also helps reduce hypertrophic and keloid scars, providing relief. Each lightweight sheet is self-adhesive and water-resistant, providing up to 10 days of coverage. You can cut them to fit smaller scars or use multiple sheets for larger ones. It's a convenient solution. This treatment is effective on both new and old scars. With consistent use, scars that have been present for years can become less noticeable, closer to your natural skin tone. You'll see the difference. What we like. This product utilizes advanced silicone technology, the #1 scar treatment ingredient recommended by doctors. It effectively minimizes redness, itching, and discomfort. If you like a convenient and discreet scar treatment option, this product is perfect. The self-adhesive sheets are water-resistant and can be easily applied. What people say. Cut them to size, much more economical and less obvious. It works better than the cream for me. The scar went away quite a bit. The tape is gentle and soft and stays on while showering. Number 2. Scaraway Complete Scar Treatment Kit, Pack of 2. This complete kit prevents new scars and softens the look of older ones. It helps scars become closer to your skin's natural texture and color. This duo kit includes silicone gel and scar sheets for comprehensive scar care. The lightweight tan silicone sheets are self-adhesive and water-resistant, making them easy to apply. The transparent scar gel creates a comfortable, non-greasy barrier. It is convenient for any part of the body. The medical-grade silicone is the #1 scar treatment ingredient recommended by doctors. This advanced technology is clinically supported to make scars softer, flatter, and less visible. It is a trusted solution for scar treatment. The kit includes reusable scar sheets and an easy-to-use scar gel tube. The sheets can be cut to fit different scar sizes. You can alternate between the two treatments to effectively diminish the appearance of scars. This treatment is effective on both newly healed wounds and older scars. With consistent use, scars that have been present for years can become less apparent. They will become closer to your skin's natural texture and color. What we like. This product offers a complete scar treatment kit with both gel and sheets for comprehensive care. The kit provides both day and night coverage, maximizing effectiveness. If you're looking for a comprehensive approach to scar treatment, including both gel and sheets, this kit is a great choice. It's designed to soften and flatten scars. What people say. Scaraway Advanced Scar Gel is easy to apply and dries quickly. It is also very effective in reducing the appearance of scars. The gel is designed to be used on a variety of scars, including those from surgery, burns, and acne. Number 1. HF Silicone Scar Gel Sheeting. This is a medical-grade silicone scar gel sheeting. It's formulated by physicians and trusted by experts nationwide. It's designed for all ages and skin types. This advanced formula is the #1 recommended ingredient by U.S. physicians. It helps reduce scars from surgery, injury, and more. It is effective for various types of scars. This scar gel sheeting contains only scientifically proven ingredients. It supports new and old scar removal and skin repair. There are no harmful ingredients. This product is versatile and can be used for various scars. It is effective for scars from surgery, burns, and other procedures. It can also reduce abnormal scarring and discoloration. For optimal results, use this scar gel sheeting. Consider using it with the HF Surgery and Injury Recovery Supplement. This creates the ultimate scar treatment regimen. What we like. This product is physician-formulated, ensuring a high standard of quality and efficacy. It utilizes advanced cross-polymer silicone technology, the #1 recommended ingredient. If you need a versatile solution for scars from surgery, burns, or acne, this product is a great choice. It's designed to support skin repair and reduce abnormal scarring. What people say. Within a week of starting this product, I noticed it getting lighter. The skin is smooth and not at all hard or rough. This product works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.